Om Amrita Namaha. My pranams at Amma's lotus feet. Amma is the Chancellor of this university. She is also the soul, energy, excitement, enthusiasm, inspiration. All the good that you see has flown from her. So, this is one of the wonderful events that has also got the blessing of Amma. So today, offering a very warm welcome to our very highly distinguished guests, scholars, eminent officials, and all the delegates. On behalf of Amma, I offer a very loving, warm welcome. Actually, I heard the introduction, Kulapati. Actually, that word Kulapati, only Amma is qualified to have that title. I would be satisfied with the Upakulapati. So, but today I wish to speak about a very interesting connection between my own discipline, which is computer science, and Sanskrit. How Sanskrit and computer science have a divine connection. When we hear the word Sanskrit, we often think of ancient scriptures, hymns, and philosophy. But Sanskrit is not just a language of the past, it's a language of precision, logic, and structure, qualities that are remarkably aligned with the foundations of artificial intelligence. Let me explain why. AI depends on structured data, very clear syntax, and unambiguous meaning. Sanskrit, unlike most natural languages, was designed with these very principles in mind. The great grammarian Panini, over 2,500 years ago, created the Ashtadhyayi, a set of nearly 4,000 rules that define Sanskrit grammar with mathematical precision. In fact, modern computer scientists have compared Panini's grammar to a programming language written in a form of metacode that anticipates today's computational linguistics. I remember when I was doing my PhD at the University of California at Berkeley in the year 1985, I was so excited to see one of the main international journals in computer science, the Communications of the ACM, had on its cover page a report from the researchers at NASA that Sanskrit could serve as the ideal language for knowledge representation because it minimizes ambiguity and maximizes logical consistency. In other words, Sanskrit sentences can express meaning in a way that machines can understand. Even machines can understand. Something that English and many modern languages struggle to achieve. Beyond its grammar, Sanskrit embodies a philosophy of interconnectedness, where every word has a root and every root connects to a broader meaning. This mirrors the neural networks of artificial intelligence, where every node connects to others, forming layers of understanding. Sanskrit's etymological web resembles how artificial intelligence and machine learning models build relationships between data points. Moreover, Sanskrit is not only technical, it is deeply human. It expresses emotion, ethics, and consciousness, the very frontiers where artificial intelligence falters. The verses of the Vedas, the Upanishads, and the Bhagavad Gita explore questions of mind, awareness, and intelligence, themes that AI researchers are grappling with today. Imagine a future where Sanskrit helps train AI systems to understand not only logic but also values, where algorithms, robots, computers, and machines can learn from dharma, ahimsa, truth, righteousness, non-violence, which are the timeless principles embedded in Sanskrit literature. So when we think of Sanskrit, let us not confine it to temples or rituals. Let us see it as a bridge connecting the human and the artificial, the ancient and the futuristic. As we build the machines of tomorrow, may we also carry forward the wisdom of yesterday, encoded not in silicon, but in Sanskrit, actually in carbon. Here at Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham and in Amma's institutions, Amma has given very high prominence for Sanskrit. As you all know, Amma is known across the world as the embodiment of universal love and compassion. Her message is simple: serve others selflessly and see the divine in all. Sanskrit too carries this very spirit. It is not just a language, but a vibration of consciousness, expressing truth, harmony, and divinity. In Amma's institutions and ashrams, and here in the university campuses, Sanskrit is honored as the language of the soul. Many of the bhajans and prayers are in Sanskrit because the sounds of these have the power to purify the mind and uplift the heart. Both Amma and Sanskrit unite the ancient and the modern. Amma uses technology and science for service and compassion, while Sanskrit offers structure, clarity, and depth. Together, they remind us that true progress means outer innovation with inner transformation. So with this, I again offer my very warm greetings and pranams to all the eminent and erudite and highly accomplished scholars, leaders, delegates who have gathered here. Let us carry forward Amma's love and the light of Sanskrit both through our hearts and through our words. Om Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Thank you very much.